Guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another easy eyeshadow tutorial for those who love soft brown tones, who love quick eyeshadow looks. This is perfect for them, and it is also beginners friendly. For this, you only need a brown tone and a shimmer shade, and I'll start with my brows first. And for my brows, I like to use a powder. I don't have an eyeshadow powder, so I make do with my eyeshadow. This is just an ordinary eyeshadow and not a brow powder. I'll use that first, and then I will draw my brows using a pencil. I'm just going to fill in the tail part of my brows only, and that is how I am going to do my brows for this look. A quick reminder, guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and please leave down your comments. It helps my video a lot. Thank you. So now that my brows are done, I also cleaned my brows and defined them using a concealer. I'm just going to quickly prep my eyelids, because you need to prep your eyelids before you apply any eyeshadow, or else your eyeshadows won't pop and it won't stay on your eyelids. Moving on to the eyeshadow application, I'll be using a blending brush to just press the eyeshadow onto my eyelids, and then I'll apply this all over my eyelids, my eyelid space, right? And then I'll just softly blend this into my crease area. I'll be using the same blending brush to blend out the eyeshadow into my crease area. So I'll be focusing most of the eyeshadow on my eyelids and then blending it out into my crease area and also the outer V part of my eyes. When blending into your crease area, you don't need to dip your brush into the eyeshadow palette. You only need to work with whatever that's left on the blending brush, because you want your crease area to be softer. So I'll just clean my brush a little on my palm, and then I'll continue blending the eyeshadow into my crease area. Right now, I'll be applying a shimmer shade on top of my eyelids, on top of the eyeshadow, and this is really soft. It's not that bright, it's not really gold, it's just soft tone, like it has like a brown tone to it. You see where I'm pointing at? I'm going to use my blending brush to blend out the harsh line around that area. This will just give you a softer look and make everything come together. I like my crease area to be a little bit warm, so I dipped my brush into a burnt orange shade in my eyeshadow palette, and I applied this on top of my crease area. So I applied this on top of the brown tone I applied earlier. So this is just going to add some warmth, and it's just going to tie everything together. So there's a little bit of brown tone and then burnt orange shade on top. Now moving on to eyeliner, I am just going to line my eyes without the wings. So I'm not winging anything, I'm just going to line my eyes and skip the wings. I want to know what you guys think about this eyeshadow look, so please leave down your comments in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share with your friends, and also subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. So right now I am just going to apply some mascara on the top of my lashes, and then moving on to the bottom part of my eyes, I'll just use that burnt orange shade, the one I used on my crease area. I'm just going to use a small detailed brush to apply this on the bottom part of my eyes, and then apply the same shimmer shade in the inner corner of my eyes also. Then apply apply some mascara on the bottom part of my lashes, and there you have it. This is the easy eyeshadow look that you need right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.